Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for beginners. Canva is an incredibly intuitive graphic design tool, perfect for anyone looking to create stunning visuals without prior design experience. We'll cover everything from navigating the interface to utilizing its powerful editing features. You'll learn how to quickly bring your creative ideas to life, whether for personal projects or professional endeavors. Let's dive in and unlock your design potential. Once you're logged into Canva, you'll find a clean and organized workspace. On the left, you'll see your main toolkit, offering everything from pre-made elements and text styles to your own uploaded images. Starting a new design is simple. Just pick a template or a blank canvas. The intuitive drag-and-drop feature makes placing and resizing objects incredibly easy, allowing you to build your design piece by piece with confidence. Canva provides a robust set of tools to bring your vision to life. You can easily customize text, choosing from hundreds of fonts and adjusting sizes and colors to match your brand. Explore the vast library of photos, videos, and graphics to enhance your designs. Fine-tune elements by adjusting their transparency, precise position, and layering order. These features empower you to create professional-looking visuals with just a few clicks. After perfecting your design, saving and sharing it is straightforward. You can download your work in several popular formats, such as PNG for web use or PDF for print, ensuring high quality. Canva also allows you to share your creations directly to social media platforms or send them via email with ease. For team projects, you can invite others to collaborate, making group design efforts seamless and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.